Thank you. We're gonna work on this car. We are gonna work on this one. Hello dear friends, 4th of September 2023, and today I'm going to pick up the car that I'm going to work from now on. You will see more vlogs from it, because in the meantime, in August, I was switching the companies, and so I'll pick up the car today, and from tomorrow, after a short vacation, I'll start the work. Cool! Thank you! Sorin and Tudor was giving me the keys, and now we are gonna work on this one. Thank you guys! Alright, so we'll have to switch the battery. We're gonna have a new battery at the car, and we got it. We have a new battery, and now we are ready to work. Whoo! But I will still have to clean up the car before. Whoo! And that's the office. It's, I don't know exactly, but it's 4 and 19 minutes, and so we finished it. We've done everything. We got the car, cleaned it up. I was changing my boots because it was raining during the day, and so we'll just take a quick picture. We'll take some quick shots of the car. We'll make some B-roll of it so you can see how nice and clean it is, and we'll see you in the traffic. From now on, that's gonna be the car that I'm working on, and many more vlogs probably are gonna be from and with this car. Thank you Academy for sponsoring this video. We'll see you at the driving classes. Woo! That's what's happening, guys. That's me with the new car that I'm going to work on, and as I told you, we're gonna work on this car and we'll see more vlogs from it. Tell me from where exactly are you watching these vlogs. Let me know in the comments, and share, like and subscribe. Whoo! See you in the next one.